Hey guys, and welcome back. I hope you're all well and staying safe at home. So today I thought I would do a motivational spring clean, and that way you guys can spring clean along with me if you fancy it or just watch. I quite like watching these kinds of videos anyway, whether I'm cleaning or not. This morning I was watching one of Love and Meg's clean with me's while I was doing my makeup, and I just found it really calming and just a lovely video that brings me joy to watch. So I will link that video down below. But today I'm going to be doing some kitchen spring cleaning. I find the kitchen is the place that always needs the most cleaning. There's so many bits to clean. So today I have my list and also my iced coffee. I've mastered the perfect at home like cafe style iced coffee, so I'm enjoying that as well. But on my kitchen spring clean list, I've got to clean and organise the drawers, clean and organise the food cupboard because we have a lot more food than usual, and then I'm going to clean the window, and if I have time I'm going to clean and organise our fridge. I'm probably going to make this a two-part video, so have both of these videos up this week, but I will split them into two, so definitely keep a lookout for part 2 of the kitchen spring cleaning. But without further ado, let's get right into the video. Okay, so to clean everything out, I'm first using my washing up liquid and water mix with a Minky, and then I'm going over everything with the Souflora mix, so it just has 1 cupful of Souflora in the spray bottle with some water. All my favourite cleaning products will be linked down below in my Amazon shop if you want to go and check them out. To clean the white baskets, I'm using the washing up liquid mix, and then I'm just rinsing them in the sink to get rid of any remaining dirt, and also drying them with a tea towel before I put them back in the drawers. to share with you these food bags that I picked up on Amazon. They are super handy to put food and frozen food in, and not only do I use these in the cupboards and the fridge, but I also store all of our technology cables in, just so everything's organized and it's easy to navigate when I do need a cable or a charger and things like that. So the last thing I had time to clean that afternoon was the inside of the windows and windowsill. In my part 2 kitchen spring clean with me, I will be tackling the blinds, and also I'll have a separate spring clean video of things I'm deep cleaning outside, including the windows. glass on the windows, I've been really enjoying using the new elbow grease glass cleaner that I picked up the other week. I mentioned that in a previous video. It definitely for me cleans a lot better than the white vinegar alone, as it just doesn't leave smears on the windows, plus it smells pleasant too. And I use this with the yellow microfiber cloth from the Spontex kitchen kit. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and give this video a big thumbs up if it motivated you to get some spring cleaning done while we're all staying inside. I hope you're all doing well and staying safe at home, and I will look forward to seeing you in my part 2 kitchen spring clean with me. Take care guys, see you then, bye.